Welcome back. Let's get things started out there this morning. And again, we're noticing two things. The first one is the most obvious one. Wildfire smoke in Canada. You can smell it outside this morning. That's what it is. There's no local fire nearby. This is all wildfire smoke moving in from Canada this morning. We also have the fog that's developing as well. This is not all wildfire smoke. This is also some fog that's developing in a few spots this morning. So we are dealing with that. But otherwise, though, here's the latest map, though. No air quality advisories issued yet. We'll have to see what the DNR decides with that. But we do know for sure that the air quality is horrible this morning. So if you're near Wausau, near Rhinelander, and things of that nature, air quality is considered unhealthy for everybody, whether you're considered a healthy individual or not. We need to be careful with this as well. Try to limit that time outside. I know many will be doing road construction or just doing things outside. Just be smart with that too and know your body's limits. Otherwise, though, near parts of Ashland County, Eau Claire, and Green Bay, it's considered unhealthy for the sensitive groups. So again, be smart whenever you're outside. That smoke will continue to move throughout the daytime period today from Canada. This is all wildfire smoke from Canada. Once we get towards later on tomorrow and especially into Wednesday, a lot of the smoke will start to get out of here and we'll start to see improvement in the air quality. And again, here's kind of a bigger picture on where it's all coming from. It's Canada, kind of the suspect right here, though, especially near the Quebec area as they continue to deal with all the wildfire smoke. And we have an area low pressure located right about in there that's pulling in that smoke that's coming in from Canada this morning. So on top of that, though, plenty of drought across a good part of the U.S. as well. And we're considered a moderate drought across a good part of our viewing area, especially further down to the south. Now, a few spots in Duluth and southern Wisconsin, to name a few spots that are in severe drought. Now, this does not take into account the rain we've had recently as well. Some beneficial rain here. Area low pressure right about in here is even sending more rain in our direction again this morning. Unfortunately, it's pulling into smoke from Canada. That's why we're noticing it this morning, and that's why it's making it down toward the surface. But as we do zoom things out, the bigger picture here looks a little bit like this. We have low pressure right about in here. That's going to track off to the east. Once it moves away, the rain ends, and we'll start to see some improvement with the air quality, too, as the smoke gets out of here, or at least starts to lessen up in density. But otherwise, though, showers possible today, and a few clouds possible later on today as well. Notice it starts to back off later on tonight. By tomorrow, they're looking pretty good with a lot of sunshine to start things out. And we'll see sunshine all day long. Get outside and enjoy it as long as the air quality is good. And then once we get towards Tuesday night and Wednesday, a few showers can be ruled out and some thunderstorms moving in throughout the day Wednesday as well. Otherwise, though, nothing meaningful in the rainfall department. Less than 1/10 of an inch today, so you'll just notice a few showers, and that'll be about it. Just enough to wet the walks, but we do have more chances of rain on the way later on. Temperatures starting off in the 50s this morning and 60s to the south. So this would be considered mild. However, though, average high temperature should be 78 degrees. We'll only reach for the mid-60s today, not really warming up all that much. We'll reach for the 70s Tuesday all the way through Saturday of this upcoming weekend, then lower 80s by Sunday. Forecast for today, mostly cloudy, a few showers out there, highs in the mid-60s, and that north wind getting up to around 25 miles per hour. Later on tonight, mostly clear, lows in the lower 50s, and that north wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. North winds furniture and mattress, 7-day forecast. We're dry Tuesday, sunshine, highs in the upper 70s, storm chances Wednesday all the way through Sunday. Not all day chances, will be some dry hours as well, but just keep an eye to the sky. Temperatures overall 70s and 80s.